Let's be real, the world of AI is moving at an absolutely insane speed. It's exciting, it's powerful, and honestly, it's getting a little confusing. It feels like every single week there's a new model, a new feature, a new headline. So today, we're going to cut right through all that noise and break down the real battle of the AI titans. So let's get right to it. The big question on everyone's mind is, which one is actually the best? Is there a clear winner in this high-stakes race for AI dominance?
The competitors, backed by ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, are set. This high-stakes race is about to begin.
Well, let's dive in and see what we can find out. All right, first up, let's meet the main players. Right now, three names have really risen above all the rest. Each one is backed by a tech giant, and each has its own unique philosophy about what artificial intelligence should be. And whoa, right out of the gate, the scale here is just staggering. So far this year, ChatGPT alone has pulled in 46.6 billion visits. That means this one chatbot basically gobbles up nearly half of all chatbot traffic on the entire internet. Everyone else? They're left fighting for the scraps, but look, it's not just about who gets the most clicks. Each of these AIs has its own, let's call it a personality. Think of ChatGPT as that versatile do-it-all toolkit. Gemini is the deeply integrated powerhouse. It's plugged into everything Google, from instantly summarizing an email thread in your Gmail to planning your trip in Maps. And then there's Claude. It's the meticulous, safety-first analyst, really built for heavy-duty, complex technical work. Okay, so we know who they are in theory. But how do they actually stack up when the rubber meets the road? Let's throw a few common real-world challenges at them and see who comes out on top. First challenge, creativity. We asked each AI to brainstorm some marketing ideas for a new budgeting app, one that's aimed specifically at Gen Z. So who came up with the better pitch? And this challenge, it really shows off their different styles perfectly. ChatGPT gave us these polished, well-structured concepts that were pretty much ready to go, but they also felt a little bit, safe. Claude, on the other hand, came back with ideas that were bolder, more culturally plugged in. Its tagline, budgeting without the boomer energy, was just fresh, distinctive, and it absolutely hit the target audience. All right, let's pivot from catchy marketing slogans to something way more technical. Now we're going to switch gears to a high-stakes arena where precision means everything. Who's the better assistant for software development? Now, the data here is fascinating. On what's called the SWE bench, which is a benchmark that tests how well an AI can solve real software problems, Claude's newest model actually has a slight edge. So what this means is, while ChatGPT is a fantastic generalist, when it comes to those really complex coding tasks where the AI has to act more like an independent agent, finding and fixing bugs across a bunch of different files without you holding its hand, well, Claude is really flexing its muscles here. But performance and features, that's not the whole story, is it? As these tools get smarter and more personalized, a huge question is starting to bubble up. What's the price we're paying in privacy? Is a smarter AI really worth giving up your data? And this quote from a developer on Reddit just nails the tension perfectly. As these big companies push for more and more data to train their models, users, especially folks trying to build businesses on these platforms, are getting forced into a really tough spot. So here's the deal, right? It's a classic trade-off. You can opt in, share your data, and in return you might get cool new features like personalization. Or you can opt out to protect your secret sauce, your intellectual property, but you might miss out on the AI's most advanced skills. It's a really tough choice. But what if that dilemma isn't the only option? Companies like Proton are building something different. Their chatbot, Lumo, is built from the ground up with privacy in mind. It has features like a ghost mode where your chats just disappear forever when you close them, and a flat-out guarantee that your data is never, ever used for training. And it's not just about privacy-focused alternatives either. While the big three are getting all the headlines, there's this whole army of specialized bots popping up to solve very specific problems. Think about Home Depot's Magic Apron. This isn't just some dumb sales bot pushing products, it's a genuine helper. It guides you through project ideas, it summarizes reviews for you, and it helps you find exactly what you need without getting totally lost in a sea of product codes. Or check this out. Maya from the insurance company Lemonade. It takes the super tedious process of getting an insurance quote and turns it into a fast 2.5-minute conversation. It's friendly, it's clear, and it makes a really complex and boring task feel completely effortless. So, we've covered the here and now, but where's all this headed? Well, the next giant leap for AI is all about moving beyond text and into the world of video. And leading the charge here is OpenAI's Sora. This is a text-to-video model that can take a simple written sentence from you and generate a short, incredibly realistic video clip right from scratch. This tech is absolutely poised to change everything, from how movies get made to how we see ads. And if you're wondering just how seriously the world is taking this, look at this number, $1 billion. That's how big of an equity investment Disney just made in OpenAI. Yeah, this deal is a game changer. It's going to bring generative AI straight into the heart of mainstream entertainment. Soon, fans are going to be able to create their own short videos using over 200 iconic characters. We're talking everyone from Mickey Mouse to Darth Vader, and you might even see some of that fan-made stuff on Disney+. This is a huge shift, and it's for sure going to reshape the future of entertainment. Okay, so after all of that, let's bring it all home. Which AI is actually right for you? Well, if you need a creative Swiss Army knife, your best bet is probably ChatGPT. If you want deep integration into your digital life, Gemini is your co-pilot. For serious technical work, Claude is the expert analyst. And if privacy is your absolute #1 priority, Lumo is the clear choice. You see, there is no single winner of the AI war. The best tool is simply the one that fits whatever it is you're trying to do. It's not about finding the one bot to rule them all, it's about picking the right specialist for the right job. The real power is in your hands to choose the AI that actually works for you. And that leaves us with one final, much bigger question. As these systems get exponentially more capable, we really have to think about their ultimate role in our lives. Are they simply a tool that we control? A partner we collaborate with? Or are we in fact building our own replacements? That's definitely something to think about.